Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Dasher Direct to Apple Pay. First, open your Apple Wallet app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Choose debit or credit card, then tap continue. Link your Dasher Direct card. If you have the physical card, just hold it near your iPhone. Or tap enter card details manually and type in your name, card number, and other details. You can also use your camera to scan the card. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish setup. Once it's added, open the Dasher app to confirm you have money on your Dasher Direct card. Now you can use it instantly with Apple Pay at checkout or anywhere contactless payments are accepted. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Dasher Direct to Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.